Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the annoying error. Access denied for user root at localhost using password no when connecting PHP with MySQL. This error usually happens because your PHP script is trying to connect to MySQL without a password and the MySQL server expects one. Let me show you the fix. In your PHP file, check your MySQLi connection line. Most beginners forget to include a password or leave it blank like this. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'll be happy to help with any other PHP errors you face. Thanks for watching. More videos on PHP and MySQL coming soon.